Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Moxie DIY in Java. I'm Michelle. In today's video, we're going to be making two faith-based Easter DIYs. I'm really excited to share them with you. So grab your cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and join me. Hello and welcome to all of my subscribers and also to any of you new viewers out there. I'm so glad you guys came today. For my coffee today, I am using a homemade mix called Fireside coffee. I will be sure to put the recipe in the description box below. Today's video is part of the Creating Faith Challenge hosted by DIY with Nadia and Crafty Leanie. I will link their channels in the description box below as well as the playlist, so be sure to check it out. I'm sure there will be tons of really great inspirational pieces. I graduated from Clemson many moons ago, but I am still a Tiger through and through, so go Tigers! This DIY, you will need moss, a half circle decor piece, black circular stickers, a rock, and strong adhesive. Not pictured, hot glue, and paint. I'm going to use my heat gun to help me get this sticker off, but you can also get the same effect with a hairdryer. This glue is amazing. It's pretty much an epoxy, and the fact that it works with stone is why I'm using it for this project. It is activated with water, so we're going to give it a quick squirt and then secure it onto the decor piece with rubber bands. These stickers I found at Target maybe 2 years ago, but I have seen some similar at Dollar Tree. This is going to act as our door to the tomb. If you make any of these projects or just want to connect with me on a different media outlet, I will link those down below in the description box. I am on Instagram, Rumble, and Pinterest. With the gray and brown paints, I'm going to be stippling it on over the initial black paint to create the stone earth type texture and variation of color. Pretty much I'm going to be stippling it on with this brush and then blending it with my other brush until I get the desired look that I want. What I'm doing here is I'm taking the residual paint that's on this cotton ball and making circular motions to create the look of depth in the black sticker. For this DIY, you will need a pocket Bible, faux leather ribbon, decorations of your choice, and not pictured paint and hot glue. I'm going to age the cover and the binding of this Bible with some brown paint. I'm just going to do pretty much the same thing I did with the empty tomb. I'm just going to pounce on the brown and then dab it off. This is made out of paper. It's got the texture of leather, but it's paper, so it actually takes paint really well, but it does need quite a bit of it because it soaks in. So if you do decide to use this particular Bible, I found it at the Dollar Tree, just be aware you will need a few extra steps with paint. I cut about 12 inches of this ribbon. This is the same pack of stickers I used in my Trio of Eggs DIY. They are so pretty. I found them at the Dollar Tree as well. I wound up painting this later. If you do decide to paint, make sure you do it before you put it on your book. It was a little difficult, not impossible, but definitely make sure you paint before you place it on the book. I hope you are enjoying what you're seeing, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I put out a new video every week, and it's usually DIYs, but sometimes it will include hauls or decorate with me's or cooking in the kitchen. Please also consider liking and sharing my video if you know of anyone who may enjoy these DIYs as well. And here's the final look. I hope you have enjoyed spending this time with me as much as I have enjoyed spending it with you, and until I see you in the next video, take care.